Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody wants to print this logo on a black coffee cup. Well, it's going to be a little difficult when the coffee cup is black. Set that to the back of the page, and you're going to get that because that other part was white, but it's I don't know. One, I don't know anything about printing, and two, I don't know what he really exactly what he wants. Because you'd want the letters to stand out, so you want them white. So maybe what I try is hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. For some reason he uses that for a fill, but I'm just going to nudge that over, and I'm going to left click, and I'm going to use red, right click, and I'm actually going to turn it into a hairline just so it'll be as thin as possible. And then I'm going to take this logo and I'm going to left click, right click, and look at it. Now I've already got a box around it, so I didn't really need to do that. I personally, because it's a black coffee cup and he's going to print it, you'd want this. Tell you what, let's do this. Let's get a box ready that's black so we can know what we're looking at. Then also evidently he's using CMYK because he's a printer, and that's fine. And I'm going to think about, well, tell you what, let's put this here and nudge this to the left. Well, you know what, let's change our nudge factor to 2 inches. And let's nudge this down, see if it gets out of the way, and it does. I would maybe smart fill the Makita part in white and move it down. So there's your logo. You know, there's your logo on a black cup, but that's not really, maybe not the Makita logo, maybe it's the actually box 2. So if that would be the case, I would actually take the, and the registered trademark would be the same. Take this same, well, we changed our nudge. Oh, we did it good though. And let's take that and let's change that to white. And let's go to object, order, front of page. And see, that's more of, to me, the Makita logo. And I might be totally wrong. When I just, because it kind of gives the box effect. And that would print on a, and then after you did the retro trademark symbol, and you could do the exact same thing to it. Matter of fact, you could fill in white on the R, move it down, fill in white on the circle, move it down, and there you have the retro trademark. That, to me, would be the logo, because the line is cutting off the letters on both sides and on the bottom. And I would just go through here, and I didn't take time to check your corners to see if everything's good before I would print it. You know, that's a little funky. You know, I would check stuff like that. And, you know, it's basically just 3 nodes, and you don't need that one, and then bring this one out. So kind of check your corners. But I think that's how it would print on a black coffee cup. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.